Hello Slay decorators! Welcome to Decor Lab. In this video, we will be showing you how to create this amazing orbs wall. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. The first step is the base. Most of the time, we are using a pipe and drape base for our walls. The plates and poles are sturdy and reliable. So let's start by putting it in place. The dimensions we chose are 12 feet tall and 5 feet wide. The next step is to prepare our base balloons. The orbs colors that we are using are silver, light gold, and blue. So the base latex balloons we will use are reflex silver. We will inflate 11-inch silver balloons and we'll put them in quads. Now, we will create mini garland using a 260 as a base. Now we have created several garlands. They are about 5 feet long, maybe a little over. Now we will start attaching these garlands, stacking them on top of one another until we will reach the top of the base. So you guys, this is our base. Now we will attach 2 garlands on a side, making a visual look like we're cascading balloons on the floor. Now we will be attaching our orbs to the wall, one by one. For that, on the tail of each orb, we have tied 260 and created a loop. Now we will loop the 260 around the base and add our orbs, mixing colors. We will also spread a couple of the loose orbs on the floor to give it a nice finish. And here you have it, the orbs balloon wall. Here, you can play with the colors of the orbs or with the dimension of the wall. I cannot wait to see what you guys are going to create. Make sure you tag Decor Lab School when you're sharing your work on social media. And I will see you in the next video.